Hi, I'm Scotty from Wilson's Fishing Tackle here. Just going to introduce a new product. It's a follow-on from last year's successful Ink Vader range. It's a mini Ink Vader, so it's more a finesse lure. It's downsized. The previous bunch came down to 60 grams. These are a smaller one in a 20 and a 30 gram model. Okay, so there's two models in the range. Each one comes in a 20 and a 30 gram weight. Okay, so the first model is a double assist pattern. Speaks for itself. You've got a 55-pound assist cord there, two swinging hooks, and they sit inside those tails very well. They're hidden. That's a replaceable Kevlar strip as well. So you put your clip or your split ring onto the top of there, and it's easy to move up and down the line. So there's a lot less stress on that hook once hooked up. So yeah, they come in a range of 9 colours. Two models, again 20 and 30 grams, lifelike colours. It's the TPE material again, so they're very durable. Will stand the test of many fish. So our second model is the one with the Tenure Hook system. The Tenure Hook is a fixed hook. So again, this one's the mini Ink Vader with the Tenure Hook setup. So that's a fixed hook there, if you can see. A little bit larger hook than your standard assists. Again, in your 20 and your 30 gram size. This also comes with a sticky sharp little assist hook as well in the box. And your toe point, your tie off point, is just next to that hook. So you can run separately or both. It's entirely up to you. Okay, if you look at the head here, we've got two toe points there as well. Each one will just give you a different action, sort of more a jigging or a retrieving sort of action at the same time. So yeah, again, in the 9 colours, they're going to be a hit on just about all your reef species.